Hi there, welcome to my channel. Please watch my video till the end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello, chocolate lovers. Welcome to Semi Bulgur's channel, where we transform ordinary ingredients into extraordinary delights. Today, we're diving into the world of irresistible, gooey goodness with a dessert that's pure decadence: chocolate lava cake. Get ready for a molten chocolate surprise that will elevate your dessert game. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need dark chocolate, unsalted butter, eggs, sugar, all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and vanilla extract to create this indulgent treat. To begin, melt the dark chocolate and unsalted butter together until smooth and glossy. Then allow it to cool slightly before moving on to the next step. In a bowl, whisk together eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the melted chocolate butter mixture and stir until well combined. Gently fold in the all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt until the batter is just combined. Be careful not to overmix at this stage. Next, stir in the vanilla extract for that extra depth of flavor. This will take your chocolate lava cake to the next level of decadence. Grease and flour the ramekins, then pour the batter into each one, filling them about 3/4 of the way. This is the key to achieving the perfect molten lava texture. Bake the cakes in a preheated oven until the edges are set, but the center is still slightly jiggly. This is the moment of anticipation, before the reveal of the rich, molten chocolate center. Carefully invert the cakes onto serving plates and watch as the rich, molten chocolate oozes out. It's a visual feast that's sure to impress. Capture the mesmerizing moment when the molten chocolate center is revealed. Showcase the luscious, gooey texture of the chocolate lava cake for a truly decadent visual experience. As a pro tip, experiment with different chocolate varieties for unique flavor profiles. And don't forget to serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch of decadence. There you have it, our chocolate lava cake, a symphony of gooey chocolate perfection that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more sweet delights, and let me know in the comments what dessert you'd like to see next. Happy baking and bon appetit!